Welcome back. Sodoiem in Siolim witnessed commotion and chaos on Saturday. There was confusion between the Catholics and the Dominic and Joan Ministries Trust over prayers with high decibel amplifiers. Both groups alleged of being disturbed from either of their groups. A deputy collector of Mapsa, Sabaji Shetty, with police force rushed to the site and brought the situation under control.
The confusion between the Catholic community and Dominic and Joan Ministries Trust seems unending. There is tussle between the two groups from past many months. Villagers of Siolim are disturbed with the loud prayer services conducted by the trust.
अडीचशे-300 वर्ष झाली इगोर्ज आमची इगोर्जेन आमच्या घरान आमकां रायट नाल्या कित्याक उरला वो सगलो बायलो लोक काडटात आनी भोगतात हांगासर तो बायलो लोक डिस्टर्ब आमकां करता मीस जातकूच आमची दुतोन जाता भुरग्याची तेकाय डिस्टर्ब जाता इतलो डिस्टर्ब जाता तर ह्या पुलिसांनी कांय तरी आमकां एक्शन घेयनात कितलेच आमचें हें जालें इश्टराचें ते आयज पासून आमी हें करता.
Whereas Dominic D'Souza of the trust has appealed the bishop to intervene into the matter and solve the grievances.
The state missionary has been used to curb our rights. Today we were having our prayer service and we've had police come over. They stopped our prayer services. I had to come out over there. Our sound was confiscated by the police. My humble request to the government or to the chief minister to please come and see to the situation, to what is happening and what the police are doing.
However, Deputy Collector of Bardesh, Sabaji Shetty, informed that necessary action will be initiated after thorough investigation.
Dominic Fernandez used the loudspeakers without the permissions, and thereby the prayer is being disturbed from the chapels. Now the police have registered the offences, they have seized the equipments, and they are investigating the matters.
What people are demanded to you?
No, people were complaining that the structure which is there is the illegals. Okay. Illegal. That is there the complaints, and some proceeding is also initiated, and we will expedite those proceedings.
Reporters Shyam Sundar Fatte, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
KTC finds itself in the wrong dealings. Yet again, the public toilets at Panji bus stand are in an unhygienic condition. Moreover, the people and tourists allege that extra money has been charged for using the toilets. The rates displayed on the notice board are nominal, but the employers charge extra. Watch an exclusive report by Dinesh Karpe.
This is the condition of toilets at the KTC bus stand at Panji. Hundreds of local people and tourists visit the toilets every day. Apart from the unhygienic conditions of toilets, broken slabs and unclean floor, the extra charges is an additional problem. The rates displayed on the board are 1 rupee per user for urinal purpose, 2 rupees for using toilets and 5 rupees for bath. But the fact here is something else.
यूरिनल के लिए 3 रुपए चार्ज।
हाँ 2 रुपए 3 रुपए कुछ भी फिक्स नहीं है जितना चला
मेरे से 2 रुपए लिया
छुट्टा नहीं है तो भी ये बोलता है छुट्टा नहीं है क्या वहाँ पे
1 रुपया पीसा को बोला तो वो 2 रुपए लिया
2 रुपए लेता है यूरिनल का भी
और उसने बोला है तुझे 3 रुपए चार्ज करने के लिए वो ऐसा कैसा लेता है वैसा नहीं लेने का यहाँ पे लिखा है 1 रुपया लिखा है वैसा लिखने वाले लोग कोई नहीं देते हैं हम लोग टूरिस्ट वाले लोग को वहाँ पे लिखा है 1 रुपया यूरिनल टॉयलेट का 2 रुपया बंद ऐसा वैसा है
तो थोड़ा सा मेंटेनेंस के लिए तो थोड़ा दाबुलाड़ करना पड़ता है साहब आप क्या कर रहे हो ना इसमें
1 रुपया 3 रुपया घेता ते 1 रुपया
टॉयलेट 5 रुपये
टॉयलेट को 5 रुपये टॉयलेट कितने घेता टॉयलेट 5 रुपये घेता.
However, when we contacted the MD of KTC, Derek Pereira, he said that necessary action on the employer will be initiated.
Okay. And to my knowledge, 15 days we had checked through IE, GP Naik, that display notice is there. Like urinals are 1 rupee, then for a toilet is 2 rupees, and for bathing it is 5 rupees. Now beyond. ना तशें तेणें करपाक जायना तेणें तें डिस्प्ले केला तेच हें करपाचें इफ इज चार्जिंग देन इट इज टोटली एक्झॉर्बिटंट वी विल सेंड हिम अ नोटीस
इन्स्पेक्शन करता हांगासर सुलभाची सगळी हळशीक जाल्ली आसा थंयसर
नो दॅट वी आमी ते आतां हें करता सुलभाचे वी हॅव समबडी हॅज ब्रॉट इट टू अ नोटीस नॉट ओनली सुलभ देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स like full total bus stand garbage is there and then another thing like canteen work is there, that एक आता आम्ही करपालेला proposal. So he is preparing that estimate and it will be taken up.
Video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
Bharatiya Janata Party workers from Talegaon constituency are irked over the quality of work by PWD contractors. They have filed a complaint against the contractors at Panjim Police Station. They want strict action against the erring contractors within the next 15 days.
Nearly 25 workers led by Dattaprasad Naik complained at Panji police station against the concerned PWD contractors suspecting scam in the works. According to BJP workers, PWD contractors have dug up roads in various areas of Talegaon in the name of sewerage and have left them in very bad state without any tarring. They also fear of malaria in the area due to accumulation of water.
Sewage line थंय जावंक जाय म्हणल्यार फाटले 7 महिने त्याच अवस्थेन ती पायपां घालून जाली, रस्तो थंय अजून जाल्लो ना. रस्तो सामको इनकम्प्लीट दवरिल्लो आसा. आमी आतां फोटोग्राफ्स तुमकां प्रोवायड केल्या. हाजेर आमी आज पुलीस कंप्लेन फायल केल्ली आसा. आमी एन्क्वायरी मागल्या, जो कोण थंय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा ताजेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवची. जे पळय उदक साचून उरता त्या उदकान मलेरिया म्हणजे मच्छर जावंक शकता आनी मच्छरान ल्हान भुरग्यांक खूबच त्रास जाता. आजूच आमी एक केस आयकल्या अशी आमच्या रेड रोजरी एक भुरगो मलेरिया जावन पिड्याला, डेंगू मलेरिया जावन. ते असे जाता इतले बेगीन हे क्लियर करचे.
BJP workers said they will file a complaint with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and PWD Minister Sudin Dhawadekar against the contractors. BJP workers also urged Congress MLA of Talegaon, Jennifer Monserrat, to raise voice against the bad conditions of roads in the ongoing monsoon session. A reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent Media.
Last week, Prudent had highlighted the pathetic condition of Hospicio Hospital in Madgaon. The lifts are non-operational and no waiting or resting room for the relatives of the patients. Today, we will show you the worst condition in the pediatric ward. The ward has very less beds to accommodate the children, hence they either share beds or rest on the floor.
Have a look at this pathetic condition in Hospicio Hospital. This is the pediatric ward. It is a 16-bedded ward. Most of the time, the ward is full with children. Due to unavailability of beds, the parents have to share one bed with 2 patients. At times, the patient have to lie down on the floor with their parents. We tried to contact the concerned doctors, but they refused to comment. When one enters the pediatric ward, heaps of medical waste can be seen at the side of the ward. The children have free access to this medical waste, which is harmful and detrimental to the children. The medical officers have, however, turned a blind eye towards the menace. Reporter Xavier Dias for Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.